So let's just summarize some of the effects that digesting wheat, rye, barley, all the lectins that they have, and especially WGA have on our system. It hurts the villi and microvilli in our stomach and intestinal lining and prevents us from absorbing the nutrients that we need. And it also creates tears and holes in the intestine and stomach, which lead to a lot of other problems like the creation of antibodies against useful proteins that we need, as well as the ones that we're digesting. That can lead to autoimmunity and a variety of different autoimmune disease, and building allergies to proteins that are actually useful to us that have a similar amino acid makeup to the ones that are contained in grains. So we can develop allergies towards things that would be really beneficial on this diet and towards losing weight, and things that are really nutrient dense just because they have similar protein makeups as gluten does. This will also cause damage to our gallbladder, which can prevent us from absorbing useful vitamins like vitamin A, D, and K that we need to govern certain functions in our body. Vitamin D alone governs over 1,000 different functions in the human body, and it prevents us from being able to utilize those vitamins within our body. We already mentioned that the phytates in grains soak up things like zinc, like calcium, and like iron, and that'll cause things like osteoporosis and anemia eventually. So just to list some of the autoimmune diseases and other conditions that can be prevented by changing your life to a paleo lifestyle diet, and conditions that are encouraged by eating grains like wheat, rye, and barley. Here are some of the conditions that you could develop or have problems with if you continue to eat these particular grains and have digestive issues. Infertility, osteoporosis, Sjogren's, type 1 diabetes, Hashimoto, lupus, arthritis, and multiple sclerosis, just to name a few. So why not prevent all of these health conditions and the issues that's going to cause in your digestive system, and developing more allergies and taking away things that you need to survive from food? Why don't you just cut them now and enjoy the things that taste great and will prevent you from having any of these number of life-changing, life-altering, and potentially life-ending diseases and conditions?